I've never seen or heard something so small with such an incredible boost bass. This is the Motion Boom Plus by Anker. It's insane. And check this out. It is completely Bluetooth. It goes up to 40 kilohertz in treble and bass as well. So really, really high treble, but really, really high bass. And I'll let you hear that in just a second. It has dual titanium and silk dome drivers on each side, and you can see them right here. It's incredible. This is what's driving your crazy sound. 20 hours of playtime, rechargeable, fast rechargeable. So this is also IQ Plus by Anker, fast charge USB-C. It does have 80 watts of sound, not 10, 12, or 15, or even 20, 80 watts of sound. It's incredible. And you can connect it to the Anker app to control your different presets. So all those EQs that you want to connect, it's pretty cool. And it also comes, because it's super portable and light and waterproof. Did I mention waterproof? Yeah, it does come with a strap that you can actually attach on those two titanium hooks right here. This thing looks incredible, but man, it plays even better. This is not even at its loudest. I can feel the bass. See how small that is and light.